Yo, 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 yo. Yo, cuz. Yo, cuz. We doing this. Hey, Megatron, talk to him. I'm rock and roll heavy, strong enough to break the levees. Barry make the gravy, sexy, left my mark already. Add on to the legacy, adding equity to the catalog. We got digital and streams, but my fans prefer analog. You can miss me with that bullshit, so call me Matador. Nigga said he made millions before prison. Well, that's before you got no answers for. I'm the riddle that can't be solved. You the joke that ain't humorous. I'm the product of my influences. Pay attention to what my influence is. In a truer sense, they say I'm too aggressive, but they misinterpret my true intent. Need to change their viewing lens and focus on the future tense. Gaining more, using less. Trying to figure out this confusing mess. A rock and roll is a soldier, keep his weapon in his holster. Got the world on his shoulder, but he loving her exposure. And his attitude is fuck it, and the language is so vulgar. The rules are broke often, he's so awesome. Mama said, the doctor said I was God, but my father said. Matter of fact, who even knows what my father said? Don't matter what he say, overruled by what my garment said. Upgraded to cotton threads, weave my plan through Charlotte's Web. My neighbor is a blood, his favorite color is lobster red. With Ray West, linguine, olive oil on garlic bread. Andre, what you doing? How you here for so long? Cause I be dancing in the rain when I don't hear no song. That's what rock and rollers do. They give their life to what they devoted to. So make sure they notice you so they know it's you. They'll put your face on a flyer, but not like a promoter do. And my hood is the Terrordome. You better off just not going through. 20 years, welcome home. Caught a body cause they told him to. I'm so underground, record my verse in a token booth. My neighbor is a Crip, his favorite color is ocean blue. And I'm always on point, that's what you feel that keeps poking you. A rock and roll is a soldier, keep his weapon in his holster. Got the world on his shoulder, but he loving her exposure. Attitude is like fuck it, and the language is so vulgar. The rules are broken.